Are you looking for the best electric skateboards? In this video, we will look at some of the 5 best electric skateboards on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. MEEPO Mini5 and Mini3S electric skateboards. It looks like you're interested in the MEEPO Mini5 and Mini3S electric skateboards. Here's a quick comparison of the two models. MEEPO Mini5. Top speed, 28 miles per hour, 45 kilometers per hour. Range, 11 miles, 18 kilometers. Motor power, dual 500W hub motors. Deck, 8-ply Canadian maple, dish-shaped with kicktail. Max load, 330 pounds, 150 kilograms. Remote, M5 remote. MEEPO Mini3S. Top speed, 29 miles per hour, 47 kilometers per hour. Range, 17 miles, 27 kilometers. Motor power, dual 540W hub motors. Deck, 8-ply Canadian maple, dish-shaped with kicktail. Max load, 330 pounds, 150 kilograms. Remote, M4S remote with screen. Both boards offer powerful motors, a stable ride, and great maneuverability thanks to the dish-shaped deck and kicktail. The Mini3S has a longer range and a more powerful motor, making it ideal for longer commutes or more aggressive riding. Number 2. MEEPO V5. The MEEPO V5 is an electric skateboard designed for both beginners and seasoned riders, offering a blend of performance and user-friendly features. MEEPO board. +1. Gift shopping and ideas for all occasions. +1. Key features. Top speed, up to 28 miles per hour, 45 kilometers per hour, providing swift travel for urban commutes. Range, approximately 11 miles, 18 kilometers, on a single charge, suitable for daily short-distance travel. Motors, equipped with dual 500W hub motors, delivering efficient and quiet operation. Deck, constructed from 8-ply Canadian maple, featuring a dish-shaped design with a kicktail for enhanced control and maneuverability. Carrying handle, incorporates an easy carry handle, simplifying transportation when not riding. Riding modes, offers 4 riding modes, catering to different skill levels from beginner to pro. MEEPO board. Braking system, features 4-speed smooth braking, ensuring safe and responsive stops. Warranty, comes with a 6-month warranty, with options for extended coverage. The MEEPO V5 is priced at $429, offering a competitive balance between cost and features. Number 3. MEEPO Hurricane Series Off-Road Electric Skateboard. The MEEPO Hurricane Series Off-Road Electric Skateboard is a high-performance board tailored for adults seeking an exhilarating and versatile riding experience. Key specifications. Top speed, up to 35 miles per hour, 56 kilometers per hour, offering rapid acceleration and thrilling rides. Range, approximately 44 miles, 71 kilometers, under real-world conditions, making it suitable for long-distance commutes and adventures. Motors, dual 3500W motors, totaling 7000W, providing robust torque for swift starts and effective hill climbing. Deck, constructed from T700 carbon fiber, ensuring durability and resistance to deformation, even under significant stress. Massivastator.com. +2. Abunda. Buy now, pay later. +2. Massivastator.com. +2. Load capacity. Supports riders up to 552 pounds, 250 kilograms, accommodating a wide range of users. Massivastator.com. +1. Abunda. Buy now, pay later. +1. Wheels. Comes with 175mm off-road wheels, designed for superior traction and stability across various terrains. Abunda. Buy now, pay later. +2. Abunda. Buy now, pay later. +2. Massivastator.com. +2. Braking system. Features 4 adjustable braking modes, allowing riders to tailor their braking experience to their preference and skill level. Warranty. Offers a 365-day warranty, demonstrating the manufacturer's commitment to quality and customer satisfaction. Priced at approximately $1,699, the MEEPO Hurricane series provides a compelling blend of speed, range, and durability for off-road electric skateboard enthusiasts. Number 4. Exway Flex Paragon. The Exway Flex Paragon is a high-performance electric longboard designed for both adults and youths, offering a blend of speed, range, and advanced features. Key specifications. Top speed, up to 33 miles per hour, 53 kilometers per hour, providing swift acceleration for an exhilarating ride. Range, approximately 34 miles, 55 kilometers, on a single charge, depending on riding conditions and rider weight. Exway Boards, Australia. Peak power, 3058W, ensuring robust performance across various terrains. Quan. +5. Thrill Seeker gear. +5. Exway Electric Skateboard. +5. Battery, 504 Wh capacity with a 14S2P configuration, utilizing Samsung 50S 21700 cells. Exway Electric Skateboard. +3. Exway Boards, Australia. +3. Thrill Seeker gear. +3. Deck, elastic composite construction inspired by snowboard design, offering impact absorption and enhanced comfort. Remote, Smart Rexus remote with a throttle wheel, direction toggle, touch display, and customizable settings for speed, lighting effects, and power modes. Quan. +1. Electric Board Club. +1. Lighting system. Bifrost 2.0, featuring customizable lighting effects for both aesthetics and increased visibility. Wheels. 90mm x 64mm high-rebound urethane wheels, suitable for various ground conditions. Exway Boards, Australia. Weight, approximately 24 pounds, 10.9 kilograms, making it one of the heavier boards in its category. Thrill Seeker gear. Load capacity, supports riders up to 440 pounds, 200 kilograms. Thrill Seeker gear. Braking system. Regenerative braking with multiple modes for customizable stopping power. Charging, 210W GON fast charger included, with options for double charging to reduce charging time. Exway Boards, Australia. The Exway Flex Paragon is ideal for riders seeking a combination of speed, range, and advanced features, including customizable lighting and a quick swappable battery system. However, its weight may be a consideration for those requiring frequent portability. Number 5. JKING Jupiter-01. The JKING Jupiter-01 is an electric skateboard designed for adults seeking a balance between performance and affordability. It's particularly suitable for those interested in off-road capabilities. JKINGboard.com. +3. GearLab. +3. JKINGboard.com. +3. Key specifications. Motor, equipped with a powerful 1800W dual brushless motor, delivering robust torque for various terrains. Top speed, achieves speeds up to 24 miles per hour, 38 kilometers per hour, providing a thrilling ride. Range, offers a range of approximately 18.6 miles, 30 kilometers, per charge, depending on riding conditions and rider weight. Speed modes, features 4 adjustable speed settings, catering to different skill levels and preferences. Load capacity, supports riders up to 330 pounds, 150 kilograms, accommodating a wide range of users. Warranty, comes with a 6-month warranty, with options for extended coverage. Priced at approximately $699, the JKING Jupiter-01 offers a competitive mix of performance and durability for both urban commuting and off-road adventures.